You ready for the hurricane to come, Brady?
Not quite. I don't have a generator yet.
I just got this fancy 2200.
No way.
I'm gonna set it right next to my bed and give it a good.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You can't do that. Brady, please explain the dangers of doing that to this gentleman.
You can kill yourself. If you set that thing up in your room, the carbon monoxide is going to kill you.
No way.
Yes. Yes way.
Wow, I guess I won't be doing that.
You're not supposed to do it like that.
Why not?
You're supposed to take a generator between 25 and 75 feet away from your house. Yes.
Really?
25 to 75 feet away.
Wow.
That's how far you need to go. Then you can start it up out there. Because I don't want you to be killed by a generator. Because that'd be horrible.
I definitely want to take the proper safety precautions.
Awesome.
All right, folks, let's get serious just for a minute. It's fun to play around and everything like that, but really, you do need to take precautions. You do need to make sure that your generator is not out in the rain. Whatever you're doing behind me, Sam, please quit it. I'm trying to be serious for a moment. Don't get it in the rain. Keep it in a well-ventilated area and keep it far enough away. Make sure that the windows and doors on that side of the house, wherever you have it running, are sealed up tight so the carbon monoxide doesn't get in. There are quite a few people killed every year during the hurricane season because they try to run their generator in the garage. Please take it outside. Thank you.